Sticky notes are a ubiquitous office supply. But did you know that a single sticky note can withstand an astonishing 20 pounds of weight? These small, adhesive wonders are a staple in many workplaces and homes, used for jotting down reminders, to-do lists, and random ideas. But beyond their mundane use, sticky notes have some fascinating properties that make them surprisingly durable. Their adhesive, known as acrylic pressure-sensitive adhesive, or PS adhesive for short, is the key to their remarkable strength. Imagine a thin layer of gooey, sticky goodness that can hold together a seemingly insignificant piece of paper and still manage to support an impressive amount of weight. This incredible adhesive is what allows sticky notes to stick to almost any surface, from glass to metal, and even to other sticky notes. But how does it work exactly? The secret lies in the molecular structure of the adhesive, which creates a strong bond between the note and the surface it's attached to. When you apply a sticky note to a surface, the adhesive molecules break apart and reattach themselves to the surface, creating a strong, irreversible bond. This process is known as adhesive anchorage, and it's what makes sticky notes so surprisingly resilient. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that sticky notes can also withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing to scorching hot? Their adhesive is resistant to degradation by heat, cold, and even exposure to chemicals like water and cleaning solutions. In fact, some sticky notes can even withstand the intense heat of a blowtorch without losing their stickiness. This remarkable durability is due in part to the unique properties of the adhesive, which allows it to maintain its strength even in extreme conditions. The impact of sticky notes on our daily lives is more significant than you might think. From keeping track of appointments and deadlines to brainstorming new ideas and projects, sticky notes have become an integral part of our work and personal lives, and their surprising durability is just one of the many reasons why. So next time you reach for a sticky note to jot down a quick reminder or idea, remember the incredible strength and durability that's hidden beneath their seemingly fragile surface. But what happens when you use too many sticky notes at once? Can they withstand the added weight and stress of multiple notes stuck together? The answer might surprise you. While multiple sticky notes can become unwieldy and difficult to handle, they can still maintain their adhesive properties. In fact, some sticky notes can even stick together, creating a strong, cohesive bond between multiple notes. This is due to the unique properties of the adhesive, which allows it to create a strong bond between multiple surfaces. So the next time you're working on a project and need to stick together multiple notes, remember that they can still maintain their adhesive properties. But what about when you need to remove a sticky note from a surface? Is it possible to do so without leaving behind a sticky residue or damaging the surface? The answer is yes. With the right techniques and materials, you can safely remove sticky notes from surfaces without causing damage or leaving behind residue. One method is to use a gentle adhesive remover, which can dissolve the adhesive without damaging the surface. Another method is to use a hairdryer or other heat source to warm up the adhesive, making it easier to remove. In some cases, it may be necessary to use a combination of both methods to safely remove the sticky note. The impact of sticky notes on our environment is another important consideration. Can they be recycled? And what happens to them after they are discarded? The answer is complex, but it's worth exploring. After all, sticky notes are a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, and their environmental impact is worth considering. Notes are made from recyclable. While materials and authors may not be reduce waste, it's essential to check the packaging or manufacturer's website for more information.
In addition, many companies are now offering eco-friendly sticky note alternatives, made from biodegradable materials and designed to reduce waste.
So the next time you're considering using sticky notes, remember their environmental impact and the alternatives available. The future of sticky notes looks bright, with new technologies and innovations on the horizon that promise to make them even more durable and eco-friendly. One such innovation is the development of new adhesive materials, which promise to improve the strength and durability of sticky notes. Another innovation is the creation of reusable sticky notes, which can be stuck and unstuck multiple times without losing their adhesive properties. The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about what the future might hold for these humble, yet remarkable office supplies. So there you have it, a brief history of sticky notes, from their humble beginnings to their surprising durability and potential environmental impact. Whether you're a fan of sticky notes or just a curious observer, there's no denying their importance in our daily lives. So next time you reach for a sticky note, remember the incredible strength and durability that's hidden beneath their seemingly fragile surface. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating stories and discoveries, from the science of sticky notes to the future of office supplies. We'll be exploring it all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.